Hey, welcome back. You already know it's Cooper Outdoors Adventure. Thank you for tuning in. Today I got a special surprise. Don't we, Puma? Oh yes, we got a special surprise. Okay, where we're going, who knows? Yes, we do know. Sister told me about this spot. She told me about this spot. This spot, they actually seen a panther. Yes, a panther. Fly across that jungle. Check it out today. We're going to see what we come up with. And also, there is a fishing spot. And we're going to try it out. We're going to bring the poles. Yes, I got to do it solo today. Next time, Coop's going to come. And we all going to go out there. Yeah. So we're going to try to get out here before the rain. And we're going to see what this trail has to offer us and see what it all has to offer. Aren't you excited? I know I am. So you know what? I need y'all to come with me. Okay, so we made it. 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 Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. This is so nice. What you mean you can't bring your pet here? What do you mean? Puma's a service dog, so he's straight. But look at this, guys. And they say secret. They ain't lying about that. This place is nice, y'all. Dang, this is nice. I never knew this was out here. I gotta get Puma. I was about to go on this walk, and my dog is still in the car. I'm gonna do that. Sorry, Coop. How am I do that? I gotta make sure I have that. Okay, so yeah, guys, this is where we're at. This is what it's looking like. We got some water here. Here in the stream. See that? See that thing? All types of nature. out here. We have a whole lot of nature. Just beautiful. Yeah. We got a lot to see, guys. I'm so excited. Okay, let's see. Oh, on this side we have this little swamp area here. Let's keep going and see what we can come up with. It's beautiful. These trees, it's just beautiful how it just, come together. Reminds me of Fern Gully. The trees just connect, gives you that nice shade. The gate closes at 5 p.m. Oh, Puma. Oh, oh, whew. Thank goodness that was a little hill. You all right, buddy? All right. Anyway, I wanted to show you guys this here. Wood Center here. If you're ever in Florida, this is a good trail. So it says that I'm here. You're here. And we're going to see, let's get busy with it. Oh, wait, where's that fishing pond? Oh, this area is closed. I see a pond. Let's check that out. Sounds of nature, guys. You just gotta go out there and enjoy nature, no matter what. Even if you're a city person, city life, outdoor life, right here. I'm able to let you know. Look at this. Sit back, see what you can see in the water. Now, if my phone was to drop in that water, would I go get it? Probably not. Up here, they have like a step area. Go get on the steps here. This is a good start. Climb master. Dang, definitely work out your legs here. See that? You ever notice these little sticks coming out of the water? I don't know if you can get a good angle on it. I don't know if you can see these little sticks going out. Alright, one thing I do hope I don't get, lost out here. not too big, so it shouldn't be a problem with me finding my way back. Let's check on Puma. Are you good out there, Puma? Alright, Puma good. So we just came from over there. We came from over there, guys. And we are just going to keep going that way. Okay? Good. So the type of bird that is, guys, the one that gave me the shout out when I came, these are the white ibis. Ibis. That's what kind of bird that is. Okay? White ibis. Squirrel, raccoon, white ibis. Trying to see if I can find anything. I don't see any snakes yet. So I gotta remember I'm at Shady Grove area. So I'm gonna take it this way. See what we come up with. What the heck is that on there? Yo, what is that? What is that? Is that part of a mushroom that fell off and got rotten? Nice little pavilion. Oh, a screech owl. Screech owl. Yo, whatever they... Mo, you said some fireflies or whatever these jokers are that's biting. They biting. They got my hands. I'm fully covered from head to toe. Head to toe. Dang. Jeez. Man, the attack of the... This is the attack of the, daggone sucker flies or something. What the hell? Goodness gracious. Y'all, when y'all in the swamp, y'all need one of them screens to put on your face and some gloves and stuff. I don't know if y'all see that flying around me, but my hands is getting bit up and I'm allergic to these bites, y'all, so I'm sorry if I might have to make this one a little short, but I wasn't prepared. My sister did warn me, but I didn't think it was this bad. And it's bad. Oh, shucks. I'm gonna try to make it through. I'm gonna try to push through like a trooper. Try to push through. Daggone it. These are the mangroves, boy. And gosh, let me try to get through this area. Gosh. Oh, man. This is dangerous. Ooh. Look like a good fishing spot. I think I saw him reaching. He didn't want me to come to the fishing spot.